Welcome back, gardeners. What's the one vegetable that you can grow all summer long, providing you with endless delicious harvests? Here in our garden in Georgia, USDA Zone 7B, that superstar is the snap beans. Bush beans and pole beans are fantastic warm weather veggies that thrive when nighttime soil temperatures hit at least 60 Fahrenheit. When it's too cold and wet, these little gems can struggle to germinate or even rot in the soil. We started the seeds in the cups because the ones that were directly sown in the garden tend to get dug up by chipmunks and squirrels. The beans usually germinate in 3 to 5 days when temperatures are around 75 Fahrenheit. We plant our bean seeds about twice its width, and we want them to lay flat in the soil. This makes it easier for their roots to grow deeper in the soil. Once a set of true leaves appear, it's time to transplant them into the garden. Today we're diving into the fun of transplanting our royal Burgundy bush beans into the garden. Just look at those stunning purple flowers. They're going to transform into beautiful deep purple bean pods. First, we cut across into the cardboard. Then we dig a hole roughly the size of the seedling cup. Next, I gently place the seedling stem between my fingers and turn the cup upside down. I give the sides of the cup a soft squeeze as I slide it off. As you can see, there are already plenty of heavy roots in here. Finally, I place the root ball into the planting hole and fill it back in with soil. I make sure the soil level stays about the same as it was in the seedling cup. These are the trimmings of chrysanthemum plant. We are stripping these leaves off to make mulch because squirrels and chipmunks don't like it. Leaving an inch or so between the mulch and the stem. Then we water it in. We don't water it too much because it's been raining a lot, so we don't water it often. Well, hello gardeners! It's been 2 weeks since we transplanted the bush beans. Today we are going to check on them. See this? It's almost ready. There's one growing beside it, and it's small. We're also going to check on the pole beans, see how they're doing. I think I can pick it. Look at these green beans. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope it is beans.